Hi, Teal Room. We are going to read the Fire Engine book. Ding, ding, ding goes the alarm. The firemen slide down the pole. Clang, clang, clang goes the fire engine bell. The chief is on his way. Here they come. Watch out. Make way for the hose car. Hurry, hurry. Jump on the hook and ladder truck. There's the fire dog. The people come running out to see the great big hook and ladder truck. Here they are at a fire. The chief tells his men what to do. Quick, connect the hose. Goes the water. Crank, crank, up the ladders. Up go the firemen with their hoses. Chop, 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 go the axes. Crash, go the windows. They have to break the windows. Down the ladders come the firemen. They jump into the net to save things from the fire. Sput, 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 out goes the fire. Tired firemen and people go home. The fire is all put out. Hooray for the brave firemen.